Welcome back to Passports. It's Tuesday Travel Tips, and I'm Marlene. I'll show you how to book 'em, buy 'em, explore 'em, try 'em, warnings and watch, and info to go. Today's tip is on gluten-free in Italy. Can you get gluten-free food in Italy? Absolutely. Did you know that 1 in 100 people in Europe are celiac? I mean, that blows me away, that statistic. So the phrase you want to know when you go is, I'm not the best at this, io sono celiaca. Or what I use all the time and what everybody will understand is senza glutine. So I just go into any place. If it's a pizza place, you can get pizza, you can get pasta, you can get pastries. They have designated pastry shops for gluten-free. Let me tell you, this gluten-free pizza crust is unbelievable. That was the most amazing gluten-free pizza I've ever had in my life. I have half of it left. It was so good. In Sicilia. Sometimes in the heart of the super busy cities, you might have to look around to find the gluten-free, but you can find it everywhere. If it says pizza, you just say, excuse me, do you have a senza glutine pizza? And they'll say yes or no, and usually it's yes. So go to Italy, enjoy the pizza, enjoy the pasta, enjoy all of the other things you can eat, the cheeses and the pestos, and wine doesn't have gluten in it. Just enjoy yourself in Italy, and buon appetito. See you Tuesday for the next travel tips.